Hello, and welcome to the Bookfully community. We're happy that you qualified as host. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started in 3 easy steps. So your first step is watch this video. So congratulations, you've already taken a massive action by joining the Bookfully community. You will look back and see how this was the best decision you ever made for your vacation rentals business. Great. Now, your second step is fill out the property setup worksheet. You should have received an email with a one-page setup document that looks like this. Just click on the link on step 2 as you can see here. When you click on the link, it will open up the property setup worksheet. It's a super easy worksheet to fill out. You will realize that we actually do all the setup for you. We just need some additional information on your properties that we're not able to pull online, such as the property address, Wi-Fi information, checking instructions, etc. Great! So let me show you how easy it is. You will see that most of your information is already pre-populated and filled out. So the first thing you will want to do is click on the property link here and verify this is one of your properties. The list of property links listed here are the properties that have qualified to receive bookings from Bookfully. So just to verify that this is one of your properties. Second, and this one is very important, this is the property icon link for the property, which is what will synchronize your property calendars with the Bookfully platform so that it knows what days you will have unsold and focus on filling those dates with bookings. And also, this is super important to prevent double bookings. So let's go ahead and start with the Airbnb platform. So once you are in your Airbnb hosting dashboard, you go to your listings in the menu and simply select the property. So let's say that I'm going to select this property. And once I see these settings, I hit the availability tab. Then I scroll down and go to the sync calendar section. And then I click on the export calendar link. You just copy this calendar and you come to the property setup worksheet and paste it here. And then you do it with all your properties. And that's it. Very simple, huh? Now let me go ahead and show you how to do it on VRBO, just in case your property are not on Airbnb for some reason. Great! So once you are in your VRBO hosting dashboard, make sure you select the property that you want to share the icon link for. So in this case, I have selected this property, and then I go to calendars and I hit the reservations tab. I look for the import export option, and then I click on export calendar. I copy this link and just come here and paste it. And that simple it is. Awesome. So after you have pasted the icon link, the next step is to enter your minimum nightly price for the property or better. Now, this is where a lot of hosts make a mistake and then don't end up getting a lot of bookings. It's very important that you enter the absolute minimum price ever or better ever offer for the property, because the Bookfully platform is designed to advertise the properties with the best prices to the travelers first. So think volume here versus one big booking here and there. The better price, the more bookings you will get for your unsold days. Let me show you why this is so important. So, unlike marketplaces where the user is going and scrolling for properties like on Airbnb or VRBO, the Bookfully platform also advertises your properties to travelers that are ready to book on other popular websites and mobile apps such as Facebook and Instagram. And you can see this in this example. Since the Bookfully platform is designed to automatically prioritize the properties that are offering the best nightly rate to the traveler, those properties get a lot more exposure. And as the booking platform starts getting bookings for your property and gathering data, it automatically also starts prioritizing the properties that are getting the most bookings and automatically starts expanding and advertising for these properties across other popular websites and mobile apps that get billions of ads, impressions like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, to name a few. And if your property starts performing, the Bookfully platform then automatically starts getting your property exposure across every major website and mobile apps that get a ton of traffic. This is why it's so important that you enter your absolute best nightly price. That makes it very enticing to travelers to book your property for those unsold days versus another property. Let's talk about the property guidebook. If you have a guidebook for the property like this, let me show you. The guidebook guests get for your property that gives them all the instructions. The Bookfully platform will provide that guidebook to travelers in a digital format after they book so that they can be familiar on how to use things at the property and how to make their stay as seamless and smooth as possible. Because happy guests come back, and that's what we all want. For the next field, what's needed is the Zillow link for the property, which will allow the Bookfully platform to automatically get the other property details needed. Let me show you how easy it is to grab this. Simply go to Zillow. In this case, I'm going to enter the property address. So once you open the property details, you just copy the link, the Zillow link, from your browser. Then you come back and paste it here. It's that simple. For the next fields, they are self-explanatory. What you need to enter is the full property address that includes the full street address, unit number if applicable, city, state, postal, and country code. And finally, the step-by-step checking instruction. This is very important too. The reason is the Bookfully platform automatically sends these step-by-step checking instructions to travelers a few days before their check-in date. So please be as detailed and specific as possible. We have found that listing the instructions as step 1, step 2, step 3 with visual pictures if possible works best, because remember, these travelers have never been to your property. If you already have your check-in instructions loaded in the Airbnb app, what many hosts do to save time is log into the app, go to the listing, check-in instructions, and take screenshots of each step. Upload and organize them on a Dropbox or Google Drive and share the link here, and we'll take it from there. If not, you can create a Google document like this. Let me show you how. You come to Google Docs. You start a new blank document. You can name it check-in instructions. You can add your property address here. And then here you can start listing. Step 1, you insert specific instructions like this. You can also attach a photo like this. You can upload from your computer, search the web, insert from Google Drive, from photos. The idea is to make it so simple that even a 5-year-old can follow the instructions, okay? So once you are done creating the step-by-step checking instructions, you can grab the share link to your new Google document like this. You just hit on the share button, you copy the link, then you come back here and you paste it. Great! So once you have completed all the information for all of your properties, here's what you need to do. Click on the share link, you copy the link, and then simply reply to the email we sent you or email it to hosts@bookfully.com. For your final step, which is step 3, go back to the one-page setup document we emailed you that looks like this. And then just click on the link on step 3 as you can see here. When you click on the link, it will open up the chat messenger and simply send us a quick message saying it's done. This will also be how you can chat with us anytime you need help or have any questions. Your entire Bookfully team gets the message. When you send a message here, so this is the fastest and most efficient way for us to have a great and instant communication. That's it. That easy. We will do all the setup from here. You just sit back and now get ready to start receiving more bookings. Please make sure you get us the Bookfully setup worksheet back and complete it within the next 24 hours. And again, welcome to the Bookfully host community.